Afternoon's restoration video diaries today, the 21st of May. Scrolling, and you've got cladding going on this side now. You can see that dark green coming up. Excellent stuff. See the cradle there. I'm working on it. You can see through the other side as well, the extra material that's gone on there. They've done a really good job. So I think that's the main way they're going to do it, is reclad what they've stripped down now. Then when that's done, they'll strip the annexes down and do the same thing. They're doing really well. Always the case when you get here though, there's no actual sheets going on, or they're not actually doing anything, but they've been busy today. Right, time for my tea. Cheers guys, bye.